Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video what we need is just pineapple and watermelon, and we need the pineapple to be more than the watermelon. You don't need sugar for this video because pineapple has a lot of sugar. So this is our fruit in the blender. I'm going to blend it for just a couple of minutes and then we shall see the end results of our juice. So I've added in little water and now I'm going to blend the juice. The next step is to strain the juice. I'm using my strainer. This is our juice. Don't forget pineapple has to be more than watermelon and adding sugar is optional. My juice looks yummy. I can't wait to taste it. And don't forget to try out this at home. If you've liked my video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.